Hello, welcome to my channel, Camping Backpacker Survivalist. I'm Jason. Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a good week ahead before Christmas. I got my set of everyday carry right here. This is part one, and I got a couple other things that I want to show too, but I'm just going to focus on this for right now. So what I'm going to start off with first is my my knives. Okay, this is my Mosey Oak little multi-tool. It's got a screwdriver right here. It's got scissors, screwdriver, can opener, and plus your pliers. And then it's got right here, it's got a awesome saw on it. I mean, that is awesome right there. And it's got a lock. And then on this side, this is a blade, just a regular old blade, ain't got no stitch edges on it or nothing. That is an awesome blade. And right here is a diamond shaped blade that you can use to grind stuff with. Sharpen your blades if you need to. This is the check that blade out. That is awesome. So that is my multi-tool that I take with me, and it's got a pocket clip. This is my United States Army knife. It's got a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, a clip, and this thing where you can flip it open with your finger. It's got the slotted edges there at the end, and it's got a regular old blade. So that's my pocket knife that I carry. This is my Boy Scouts knife. So if y'all could tell me the name of this, I would appreciate it. Leave it down in the comment, because I'm not for sure what name this is. But it's got one blade on it that got this little button right here that you can lock. It locks on you. And then you got this serrated edge blade. And then you got the third blade is a saw, and this saw is amazing. I mean, that's a perfect saw, man. I love that saw. And the fourth is a little bitty can opener, and I use this can opener a lot on cans in the kitchen. So right here is a can cutter, a wire cutter, and a straight screwdriver. And it also's got a corkscrew right there, and an oil punch. I lost the toothpick and the tweezers out of it, but I got a lanyard here that's got a owl on it. So that is my other one. Okay, I'm going to start with my fire starter. So this is what you call the Strike Force fire starter. I put the string on it and the clip on it. It's been used quite a bit, but it still throws some good sparks. I love this thing. Don't try this at home, kids. So that's what and it's right here. I got some tinder in it. I got 2 Tinder Quicks and about 4 pieces of cotton in it. So that's my survival tool that I carry with me every day. And this is my little flashlight. It's a 5-inch flashlight. There's the clip, and it's 150 lumens. It's a pretty little bitty thing. It fits perfect in my pocket. This is just a normal old flashlight. It come in with the set that you get at Walmart for 2 flashlights, 2 pen flashlights, and 2 headlamp flashlights. So that's what this one is. So redundant on a flashlight, and I have a Techno pen that's got a glass breaker in the clip. This little thing right here has got a good whistle. You unscrew it. There's your fire starter. And you undo this. And here is your little that you start it with. Let's see. Yep. See right there? So I guess it goes that way. Yep. And it's got a compass, little bitty compass right there. And you unscrew that. And it also has a glass breaker. So I love this. Put that in there. And then voila. There's your whistle, fire starter, and knife and compass all in one. And for last is my shears. This come to my door today. I don't know if it's been a Christmas present. I don't know if it was shipped to me by the wrong address. I don't know any of that. But so what we got here is shears. And it's from I can't pronounce the name of it, but I will show it when I open it. And it's got a case. Good Lord. Okay. Right here's the name. So y'all can see it. So pretty much it's got a clip for your pant pocket, glass breaker. I put this on it. And it's got this little cutter right here. And on this side, it's got this seatbelt cutter or your pants cutter, whatever you want to use it for. And also, these things can cut your clothes in a first aid emergency if you need to get to somebody, or if you're stuck and you can't get out, you can use these to cut your pants, whatever. So this is my little short video of this. So this is part 1. I still got other tools and stuff I want to do. So I may make 2 more parts, but I'm not for sure. But this is part 1. I'll have to work on part 2 to figure out what I'm going to do. So I hope y'all like this. Remember to share, comment, subscribe. I have 47 subscribers. I wish y'all would like my videos more and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, because it definitely will help me on my channel. So just remember, this is Camping Backpacker Survivalist is what my channel is. So please help me get to 100 subscribers. Oh, and one other thing, I got a Bluetooth headset right there. So peace and God bless and love yous all.